installation of the LED lights turn signals has been completed all around. We have finally accomplished the replacement today, and as you can see, they look awesome. And we're gonna continue now retaping the windows for sanding and then for painting. So that is our next task, and we're gonna work as much as I can to take advantage of the daylight today. So we'll continue reporting as soon as we get more progress coming your way. We just finished prepping the right side on the upper and lower part of the windows. And humidity is putting a toll on us. So I better hurry up, do my job, sand these windows while I have daylight, and then I will proceed to cover the other windows later on. For now, I'm just gonna make sure that the tape is tight, and I'm gonna start sanding right away so we can get the windows ready for prime and paint prior to the fixing of the seal of the windows to stop once and for all the pending leaks that are still going. This is the end of day one. We were able to finish up setting up the right side, and we sand one of the windows to get it ready for paint. We will continue tomorrow. We have 3 more windows to go on this side, and we will handle them early in the morning, of course, and then we're gonna prep them for paint, leave them as they should be, ready for paint, and subsequently we're gonna move to the next side to start working on those windows as well, just to make sure that the painting of the window is ready, and then when the repair comes, no more leaks will come. Wonderful. So this is it for today, first day, very productive.